Welcome to my channel All Rounder Science Tutorial. Today I have to discuss some tricky sums which are accelerate your brain memory. Let's play these sums. So I have to take some question papers. First, factorize factorize x4 minus 6 to 5. x4 minus 6 to 5. x4 means x squared 6 to 5 and that is a 25 square. If you get a square minus b square, the following identities is here, following identities, and that is a square minus b square. You get a plus b as well as a minus b. And by these identities, we can help to do these sums x square plus 25, x square minus 25. Now, x square plus 25 is remain x square minus 25 again square root by x square and 25, that is a 5 square. We get x plus 5 and x minus 5. This is my answer. If you have to factorize this, then this is my answer. Okay, again, if x minus 2x minus 1 equal to 3, then what is the value of x cube minus x 8x minus 3. First of all, you have to calculate this. X minus 1, this is not a 1, sorry, this 2 is here, but x power is minus 1, so 2 divided by x, because according to the laws of indices, you know that x to the power minus 1 equals to 1 by x, so equals to 3. Now by squaring on both sides, you, we require the cubing on both sides, sorry, we require the cubing on both sides, because there is a question is a x3, so cubing on both sides, x cube minus 2 by x whole cube minus 3ab, and that is x 2 by x within bracket x minus 2x, x minus 2 by x, 3 3 to the power 3 means 27. Now you get the values x cube 8 by x cube, and this is also stands for x cube minus 1 8 divided by x cube, because x to the power minus 3, by this laws of indices, we get x to the power minus 3 as 1 by x to the power 3. So x cancel, 3 to the 6. Here x minus 2 by x implies the values 3, 27. Now you get 27, 6 3 is 18, minus 18. When placed to the right side is a plus 18, and that value is 45. It's clear. If the sums come in examinations, you can easily solve by cubing on both sides. Now if small question of a logarithms, log 8 minus log 2 divided by log 32. So you have to get the answer log 8 minus log 2. Log in log minus means division. In log minus means division. So log 8 divided by 2 and log 32 also. So log 4 is here because 2 4s are 8 and log 32 also. You can change this log 4 as 2 square and log 32 as 2 to the power 5. So this is 2. The power comes at the front side of the log, 2 log 2, and this is a 5 log 2. If you cancel this log 2, then the value remains is a 2 by 5. It is my answer. Okay, this is a simple calculations and it comes in the examinations. You have to solve this. Next sums. If we go for our trigonometry, tan x plus cot x equals to 2, then so that tan 8x plus cot 8x equals to 2. So first of all, tan x and cot x. Tan x, cot x, you know that cot is the reciprocal of the tan, and that is 1 by tan x equals to 2. 1 by tan x equals to 2. Let's take tan x equals to y. So my simplification is y plus 1 by y equals to 2. If it says taking as a LCM, y is LCM, and y into y square plus 1. So y square plus 1 equals to 2y, and that is y square minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. So y square minus 2y plus 1, by using identities a square a minus b whole square, and that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, we get the value y minus 1 whole square equals to 0, and that is y minus 1 also be 0. So y equals to 1. Y equals to 1. So tan x is taken as a y. Tan x is taken as a y. So y equals to also 1. So we can write 1 plus 1 by 1. That is also a 2. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And by these equations, tan to the power 8x plus cot 8x equals to 2, to prove that. So tan one plus 1 also there is a 2. The value remains is a 2. Now we have to factorize a problem. The problem is factorize a minus b whole cube, b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. Let's take as a x cube, y cube and plus z cube. We know that the formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to 0. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. So if these numbers can be taken as x, y, z respectively, then we can get 3 a minus b, b minus c and c minus a is my answer. Okay. let's break the now questions is trigonometry from the trigonometry, and that is tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, dot 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 dot, up to tan 45 degree, dot dot dot, tan 88 degree, tan 89 degree. I have a questions. This are 10, 10, 10. To prove that it is a 1. So first of all, tan 1 degree means tan 90 degree minus 89 degree, tan 90 degree minus 88 degree, and that's by dot dot. Tan 45 degree is 1. If you change this as a cot, and that is 1 by cot 88 degree, 1 by cot 89 degree. Tan 90 degree, 89 degree, and that is a cot 89 degree. Cot 88 degree, 1 cot 88 degree, 1 into 1 dot dot dot, 1 into 1 into 1. So you get the answer is 1. So you have to first change this value. 1 degree is a that is a takes place as a 90 degree minus 89 degree is a 1. 2 90 degree minus 88 degree, and you can reverse this tan 88 as a 1 by cot 88 degree. My next question is first we have this questions. One question from the logarithm, and that is 1 by 2 log 9 plus 2 log 3 log 6 log 2 minus 2. Simplify this question in logarithms. So we know that 1 by 2, if it raised to the power as 9, 1 by 2 log 3 square log, this can be you can divide this value 6 as a log 3 and log 2 within bracket, because minus is in front of the minus bracket, and then log 2 is means 2 log 10, because log 10's value is 1. So now we can fractionate log 3 square equals to 9, 3 square changes to 9, 1 by 2 log 3 square minus log 3 minus log 2, because bracket open, then minus changes to the plus as a minus, and this is a log 10 square. If you calculate the value, you can look at that value, that log minus 2 is here, and 2 cancel, log 3 is also here, log 3 plus log 3, and log 3 square minus log 2, and 2 log 2, and the question is log 2 is also here, I don't write this question, sorry. Log 2 is also here, log 2. So here also a log 2. Log 2, minus log 2 plus log 2 cancel out. Log 3 minus log 3 cancel out. Now the remaining is a log 3 square minus log 10 square. So minus means division, that is a log 3 square divided by 10 square. So your answer is a log 3 3 is a 9 by 100. Okay. Sorry, 9 by 100. 9 by 100. You can pause the video and write the answers. My next most tricky question is, if a plus a to the power minus 1 equals to p, prove that a6 plus a to the power minus 6 equals to p square minus 3 whole square minus 2. Can you imagine this type of questions? Here is a plus a to the power minus 1 equals to p, and then you can prove that a to the power 6 plus a to the power minus 6 equal to p square within bracket p square minus 3 whole square minus 2. This is the most tricky questions, but I can solve it easily. First take this value a plus 1 by a as a p. So here is a 6. Every times when a when a expansions or factorization whatever is there, and if there is a value of 6, first you cubing on both sides first you have to do, then squaring. So cubing on both sides, a plus 1 by a whole cube p cube is there, a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3a into 1 by a plus 1 by a, and that is a p cube. So a cancel, a plus 1 by a stands for a value p again p cube. So from this the right side beginning as a p cube minus 3p, p cube minus 3p. Is it clear? Right side, this 3p changes to the right side as a minus 3p, so p cube minus 3p. p cube minus 3p is there. Now we have to calculate this. a6 a to the power minus 6, so we get the value a3 1 by a to the power 3 equals to p3 p to the power 3 minus 3p. Now this value is there, a cube plus 1 by a cube p to the power 3 minus 3p. Squaring on both sides, a cube plus 1 by a cube square p to the power minus 3p also square. Okay. Now if it is squaring on both sides, you get the identities a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first of all you can write a3 to the power 2 1 by a3 to the power 2 plus 2 into a3 into 1 by a3, and that's you can write as like this. So a3 cancel, a3 cancel. Now the remaining value is a p3 minus 3p whole square, and plus 2 changes to the right side as a minus 2. If you get common, if you get commons from the pq minus 3p, if p is taken as a common, then this changes to p square minus 3 whole square minus 2. So my answer is there. Okay. Let's simplify. 25 5 into 25 to the power n plus 1 minus 25 5 to the power 2n divided by 5 into 5 to the power 2n plus 3 25 to the power n plus 1. First you get the square root. So 5 square n plus 1 minus 5 square 5 to n. We know that in algebra the power will be added when the base are same. So 5 square n plus 1, we can again write 5 2n 5 1 5 square 5 2n 5 to the power 2n 5 to the power 3 5 2n 5 2. Let's take an common factor, that is a 5 to the power 2n 5 and 5 to the power 1, 5 square is there. Let's check the value 5 2, oh sorry, this is a 2 not 2, and 5 to the power 2n 5 to the power 3 minus 5 square. So 5 to the power 2n cancel, and this is the 5 to the power 3 minus 5 square. 5 to the power 3 means 125 minus 25. Again 5 to the power 3 means 125. The value is 0. 5 square. Let's check the questions again. 5 to the power 2n, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2n is common, and 5 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 1 also. So 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4 means 625. So my answer is 100 divided by 600, and that is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is my answer. Okay, today I have to do some tricky sums of these questions papers from some in schools, and if anything is you have to want, then please send me and comment me and also like. Thank you.